Have I got a wee bone to pick today? I just need to say something. I've just got something that I just need to say. And the thing is, enough elephants in the room. This is a big fucking huge elephant that has been hanging around I don't know how long, but I've been listening to this elephant way too long. And that is the situation. And it is a situation. It's not bias, or it's not racism, or it's not prejudice. It's a truth. This is what happened. I had a business call this morning with a new client of mine. Now, I had never met this client before, and that person was in another country, and that person speaks another mother tongue. She doesn't speak my beautiful mother tongue, which is Irish. Uilig eki. Mar sin ghlaic siise leis go mbeadh béarla mar lingua franca idir an bhfeirteoigín. So this person doesn't speak my mother tongue, my beautiful mother tongue. And it was presumed that the lingua franca of our meeting would be the English language. So the meeting started, and truth be told, I would have, in this modern day of modern technology and everything, I would have expected that it would be a video call so that we could see each other's faces and that we could see each other's faces. But so I put the call through on a video call, and the person responded with a non-video call. And I was I was a tad confused. But being who I am, very little throws me. So I wasn't thrown. I just said to the person, what's the bleeding story, buds? The fuck don't you turn on your fucking screen there? I'd love to see your face, because we've been in touch with each other for about, can't remember, about 3 or 4 days. That's all right. And I'd just be curious to see what you look like. So, and the person said to me, I don't have a video cam. I don't have a webcam. Okay. Now, I'm just telling you the story about my face. My face is all sore today. I had this weird thing happen to me yesterday. Yesterday was the day of the full moon. The 27th of May, January, February, March, April, May 2021. And there was a full moon, and I don't know, has that got anything to do with this, but something really bloody weird happening. I started getting a pain in, I don't know where it started, in my ear or something, about 3 o'clock in the day, like just a mild interference, you'd call it. And I'm just trying to remember what exactly the time is, because I don't want to be telling lies. And anyway, the thing is, like I was telling this person on the phone today, even though it wasn't a webcam, it was a phone, I said, I have a photographic memory normally. But yesterday was the weirdest day of my life, one of them. I was on this most amazing webinar with brilliant Bobby from LA. And as soon as the webinar was over, I don't even think it was I lay down on the ground, but the ground made me flat on top of it. I couldn't move. I was in agony all across my eyeball, like all of this area, and it's still hot today, so it's moving something out of my body. Yeah, get it out, man, get it out, come on, get that fucking shit out. The pain went down all the way down my face, all the way down my neck, all the way, my ear was as freaking bright pink as, am I wearing pink today? I swear to God, it was freaking this colour here, that ear there. Even today it's a bit, well, it's not that bad today. No, I don't mean bad, it's brilliant. But it was about that colour yesterday. Then the pain started to go all the way down. And before I knew it, the pain was going all the way down to my bloody wee toe, or my big toe. My bloody wee big toe. And I said to myself, what the hell is this all about? Now at 5 o'clock that day, no it wasn't, it was a little bit after 5 o'clock, I had phoned with a telephone phone, no video call phone, landline. Do you remember what them are? Them? They? I said, hello, is this my beautiful dentist? I love you. I have an emergency, there's something weird going on in my head, and I think it might be connected with something in my mouth, because it's just gone all over there. Anyway, I didn't go into quite as much detail as that, but it was after office hours, and the person said, please do not. Oh, it wasn't them who said don't leave the message. They said please leave a message after the tone. Please leave a message after the tone. So I left a message. I said who I was. Didn't say who I wasn't. Got straight to the point. I said I'm in freaking agony, I'm lying. No, I didn't say that because I wasn't on the floor by the stage. That was before that. Hold on a minute now. Get your freaking facts right. you have to have credibility and authority. And if you don't get your facts right, put your frickin' money where your mouth is. Anyway, the long story of it short, the long story of it shortly was that I wasn't able to go to the doctor, the dentist. I wasn't able to get an emergency dental appointment. Now, I would have been able to if I had continued and persevered, but I was, excuse me, I was quite happy to go my own way. You can go your own way, go your own way. And that's what I did. So, I got a full team of people together to start researching and finding out what the best remedies would be. That be homeopathic remedies, because that be the things that I take. For the past something like 35 years, I haven't taken any pharmaceuticals, except I do sometimes take a wee aspirin, you know. But just my body loves homeopathy and it works for me, so I just went that direction. No other fucking, nothing else about it. That's just the way it is. So I decided I'd go down the route of the old homeopathy, and I got a team on the ball, and together we found the best remedies, and I immediately put one of these remedies on all over my face, down all of my, what do you call this part of your body? Throat. And you know, God, it felt so beautiful and soothing. And I felt better very quickly. And then I took a remedy which I thought would be good. Well, not that I thought it would be good, but it was recommended by the experts. And that's what I did. Instead of, I didn't freak out. I said to myself, there's a reason for this. This pain is coming to tell me something. I mean, it's kind of knocking me out. It knocked me out. I was immobilized. But I wasn't scared, and I knew that my body was trying to tell me something. My body and the universe. And anyway, so that's a long story. Are you serious? Hold on a minute now. I've been on this talking to you for 13 minutes, but sure, nobody would be listening. There's no way anybody's still listening. For God's sake, who would listen to 13 minutes of that fucking But anyway, what was the point of all of this? It's just too long. How can I possibly win the internet today with a bloody video that is more than 13 minutes long, coming up to 14 minutes long as I speak? Because nobody listens to a 14-minute video. Because we all have too much to do. We've got too many notifications on WhatsApp and Messenger, and the rest is history, you know yourself. So I'm going to stop there now, because I know you're not listening anyway, because 14 minutes and 32, 14 minutes and 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Anyway, right. If you do want to know the rest of the story, you know what to do. I don't have to frickin' tell you to do this and ring your bell. Ring my bell, 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 ring my bell.